This is the SafanDarley M-Shear equipped with a Delta X back gauge system, offering extra flexibility when cutting angled sheets. The Delta X back gauge allows both gauge points to be independently adjusted from 0 to 100 millimeters, enabling precise angled cuts. Each position is adjusted manually using a hand wheel, ensuring accurate alignment on both sides of the sheet. When both back gauges are set to 0 millimeters, an orange indicator light on the rear confirms that the system is in the default straight cut position. If the back gauges are offset for an angled cut, a red light on the front of the machine alerts the operator, a clear safety feature before cutting, helping to prevent accidental cutting with a misaligned back gauge. Clamping pressure can be manually adjusted with a dial, allowing for optimal handling of different materials. For small part cutting, the machine features a compact, extendable stop, ideal for short lengths and repeat accuracy. With its Delta X back gauge, manual fine-tuning, and clear visual indicators, the M-Shear delivers accurate results for both straight and angled sheet cutting.